Paglabas ng confession room, agad binahagi ng leaders na sina Ape at Joaquim ang kanilang task.
So, kami ni Ape ngayon yung task leaders. At it's our choice if we don't sleep or whatever. Kasi 2 nights naman siya.
Really? So we have no bedtime or...
We have no bedtime or morning wake-up call.
Gawin natin to para kay Ate Min.
I almost said Luke.
Gawin natin to
Form
para
8
kay Ate Min.
circles.
Did you understand?
Matapos maibahagi ang task sa ibang housemates, si Joaquim pinagnilay-nilayan muna ang kanyang leadership style.
Guys, pwede muna mag-usap. I think may sasabihin ako. Kuya Mark. So, sige. Kami ni Ape yung task leaders. And I have a specific style of leadership wherein I try na lahat tayo may isang boses. So, siguro first, I know na maraming side conversations going on. So, siguro better if there's like one voice at a time para lahat tayo nagkakaintindihan. So, now that we understand this and we know how to communicate with each other, so I've devised like a method. So, kunwari, let's call it SNORE, S-N-O-R-E. S first is system. System is how we should put up the cards. Kasi we can put it up like that, we can put it up like that. And then N is number. Because we have 60 decks with 54 cards per deck. That gives us 3,240 cards. So baka mauubusan tayo. After N is order, what do we do first? And then R is roll, who does what? Finally, E is everyone sleeps. Because we need to decide who sleeps when. Kasi for me, if it were only up to me, gusto ko sana first night pa lang tapos na para wala nang problemahin. Pero baka yung iba, hindi sila makaka-perform. They can't perform well if they're sleepy, ganon. Right? I think that's really the litmus test of effective leadership. How your constituents react and how they feel. Because leaders are kind of like public servants po. And I was observing the housemates po, all of them were in high spirits. Everyone was in agreement that we all worked together. And that's really what a leader's job is.
Bago simula ng pagbuo ng Cake Tower, ang housemates nagkanya-kanya munang strategy sa pagbuo.
2 araw lang tayo, guys.
Kaya yan?
Mother! If it falls, we all smile.
Samantalang si Mark mukhang may naisip na magandang technique.
Dapat systematic yung paglagay ng taas.
Yeah.
Yung triangular po, pwedeng tatayo yun kasi nakapatayo po ako ng 3 piraso lang po ng kahoy na ginagawang upuan. Napag-isip-isip ko na pwedeng gawin po sa baraha at yun, tumayo naman po.
Yan! Got a strong idea.
Nagagamit yung pagiging carpentry natin dito, tol.